Sundpey. I don't know. Anyway, we just got this. And let's go ahead and let's check it out. To get it open, we just click these. And they got to kind of come forward a little bit so you can lift it. All right, so we'll open her up. It does come with this little booklet that I guess it tells you what's going on in here. But here's your driver. You got a driver. You've got bits for it. You've got a battery for it. You've got a tape measure. You've got a bunch of little screws and anchors in here. Looks like one of them fell out. It sets in there like that. You got a wrench, tape measure. Here is your charger for this. You get a little hammer. You've got a wrench, needle nose. Right here, it looks like it slipped out. And then you've got another pair of pliers. You got a flathead, a Phillips head. You got like a socket thing here. You got a bunch of smaller screwdrivers. You got a knife. You got Allen wrenches, sockets, flathead bits, different sizes, and you've got your Phillips head bits, a couple of drills, and this looks like an extension. And this is for checking electricity. So it's got like everything you possibly could need for doing work around the house. And I think this is a pretty viable solution for a person who doesn't have any tools. They can get this on Amazon, and it has just about everything that a homeowner would need for, small jobs. I mean, big jobs, you may need some other things, but yeah, check it out. I think it's a pretty good little set, so you can get it right here on Amazon. Okay, peace out.